What's up, everybody? KG here, founder of the Internet Money Wallet and the Internet Money ecosystem, coming at you today with some extremely bullish news. We're going to talk about a massive burn event that just happened moments ago for our token, Internet Money, or the ticker is IM. For those that don't know, IM is the first token that we launched in our ecosystem, and it has been on Binance mainnet for over a year now. We recently launched that token, IM, on Ethereum, and soon we will be launching IM on an upcoming blockchain called Pulse Chain. Now here's what's incredible and why we decided to make this video today. Because the burn event pushed the IM token into a beautiful and revolutionary category. IM is 100% fully and truly decentralized. No team allocation, no tokens put aside for marketing or development, 100% truly decentralized in the hands of the holders. Let me show you something. Here we are on BSC scan, and you will see that the top holder is the debt address. And for those that don't know, the debt address is how you burn tokens when a token contract does not have a burn function written into the contract. And when we launched IM on BNB Smart Chain over a year ago, we did not have a burn function. But this amount of tokens is what's burned and inaccessible to anyone. Now you'll see that the actual top holder of the IM token is PancakeSwap, the DEX. There isn't a single holder in the entire IM ecosystem that can rug this project. Nobody is a bigger holder than PancakeSwap, which makes this a decentralized ecosystem. That's Binance. Let's head over to Ethereum. Now we're on Etherscan, which is the Ethereum block explorer. You'll see here there's no debt address because when we launched IM on Ethereum about a month and a half ago, we wrote in a burn function. So you'll see that the top holder here is Uniswap. Same thing I just said for PancakeSwap on Binance. Same principle applies here for Uniswap here on Ethereum. Now let's talk about some numbers. And I'll put these down in the description below. I'll share all the transaction hashes so you can see exactly what happened, see these numbers for yourself, and follow along in this extremely historic and exciting time in the internet money history. So on Ethereum today, we burned 1,965,577,210,889 tokens, which amounted to about $259,000 USD value, and approximately 20% of the supply was burned, leaving you with a total of about 7.8 trillion. Also on Ethereum, we were the biggest liquidity provider. We had about 94.92% of the pool. And when you provide liquidity on Uniswap V2, you actually get a token to represent your portion of your position. And with those tokens, you can actually withdraw your position. So what did we do? In true decentralized spirit, we also burned a 100% of our LP position. So we were the biggest liquidity provider. Now, again, I'll drop that transaction hash down below so you can prove that and verify that for yourself. You'll see the number one holder as the debt address. And that liquidity that we burned amounted to approximately $83,500 USD value. Now, on Binance, we actually had more tokens over here because when we launched IM on Ethereum, we took a snapshot of the holders of IM on Binance and airdropped them free internet money on Ethereum. Now, what that did was that left more tokens on the Binance side because some of the copied Ethereum tokens were used to provide the initial liquidity. So on Binance today, we actually burned 4,565,577,210,889 210,889 tokens, which amounted to a total US dollar value of approximately $165,000, which was about 48% of the supply. So the remaining circulating supply, which is 100% decentralized, it amounts to about 5.2 trillion. So the supply is actually about 2.6 trillion lower on Binance than it is on Ethereum. Now, let's talk about another cool number. So when we first launched the IM token, it had a total supply of 420 trillion IM, which on Binance, you can see that we burned 98.7% of the total supply that came into existence. So if you take all the IM we burned on Binance, all the IM we burned on Ethereum, plus the LP tokens that we burned on Ethereum, we also burned the LP tokens on Binance because we were the biggest liquidity provider on Binance as well. Those tokens got burned many, many months ago, but I'll also drop that transaction hash in the description as well. If you take all of what we burned and what it accounted for in US dollar value, that number is approximately $15,347,000. That is mind-boggling numbers. That is money that the project represented and was burned. Because the most important thing for us is to reach that decentralized reality. Because that is what we're here doing in the crypto space, is it not? So that is all I really wanted to say with this video, is to share this amazing historic news. Again, IM is fully and officially 100% decentralized. And I, as a founder, as a representative of the Internet Money team, and to everybody in the community, you should feel very proud of this moment. This is absolutely incredible. This is a part of history, and you are officially an IM OG. Peace.